One of the tools we use at the BYU preschool as teachers to teach our students social and emotional development is we use the Shubert collection, which is a collection of books written by Dr. Becky Bailey, who was the founder of Conscious Discipline. In these books, she teaches social and emotional development through stories, through this little cricket named Shubert. And in each story, he has to learn a lesson of how to help him thrive socially and emotionally. So in this book, there's a new student that comes into the classroom, and he's a spider, and he looks different from everybody else in the class. And so the whole class has to figure out a way to help him feel welcome and included and part of their class community, and how they can overcome seeing the differences and be able to help the student feel like he truly is included in the classroom. And one way that Dr. Becky Bailey helps the students be able to take the lesson into and to be able to internalize it and remember it is she always puts songs at the end of the book. And at the end of this book, there's a song that Shubert sings to help the children remember that even though people are different, we can still help them feel included and feel a part of our class. And so the song at the end of this book is, "Hooray, hooray, a new friend to meet. Hooray, hooray, a new friend to greet. Hooray, hooray, we learn to stop and see. Hooray, hooray, you have feelings like me." So at the end of the book, we can sing that song with the children, and it helps them be able to remember that we need to stop and greet our new friends. We need to make them feel welcome and included and see that they do have feelings just like us.